Hello everyone, so I'm back in my 3 to 4 bed house. I'll give you a very quick tour. We're literally on the painting stage and carpet here next week. So let's have another walk around and see where we're at. So I'm currently at the back end of the house here. And if you can see, I'm currently standing in the kitchen. There's a doorway, you walk through here, a bit of a laundry area, utility, fridge, freezers. They are the old ones, they aren't supplied. So, but the wash and dryers will go underneath here. As you can see, there is a rear toilet, which is great for use if you're on the ground floor. And in most terraced houses, you have got an upstairs toilet only. At least you've got one here as a secondary measure. But all new windows, all new doors. We've had glass in the top half of this one. It's allowed a lot of natural light. One thing we need to change, put a thumb turn on there. It's not a HMO at the moment. It's only going to be a single let 4-bed family home. So I always like to put them in anyway because I like to make sure people can get out in case of a fire. There might not ever be a fire, but I want to make sure the person's out alive. The house is secondary. We never want a fire, but a person's life is not worth a fire. So understairs storage. I'll turn the camera around so you got a bit of a better view. As I was saying, understairs storage there. Much better view from this angle. You can't see me head. Kitchen, all we've done, taken the old tiles off, refitted some white metro with grey grout. It's having the first coat of white at the moment. It's going to be white and grey, what we normally do. We aren't fitting pendants, that's just for painting. We have got the 3-way spotlights, what we normally do as well. I've also fitted it so all the rooms are hardwired interlink smoke alarms. Not sure if you remember when it was all cracked, all rising damp all around here. That's all gone now. So perfect. First coat of paint. We had a new front door as well. We went for this kind of colour. A bit of light at the top and a big light well right up there as well. There you go. Into the front lounge, nice big room. A lot of these have been turned into HMOs, and to be honest, a lot of them have been turned into HMOs by myself as well. That was all damp. We've had all the outside all raked out and re-mortared in the brickwork. So new windows, bay window. They can really, really well. Up the staircase. So now you've seen the front lounge, the middle lounge, the kitchen, and the rear laundry area and the toilet. Up the stairs, bathroom at the back, smaller bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3 and 4. So I'll take you a walk through into the bathroom. We haven't really changed a lot in here other than a rewire and fitting extractor. All the shower screens all went cleaned out. I've got a feeling one of the issues or one of the questions I'm going to get asked by a new tenant is, can we change that to a bath? And look at it, we can get a bath in if we need to. I shan't do it now. If the tenants want a bath, they will ask me, and I'm more than happy to change it on their behalf. One little tip, all your windows look to have trickle vents in. People say yes, they can close them. Yes, but it's still not an airtight seal. Worst comes to worst, you open that up or take them out and put a bit of silicone in so they can't physically close them. Either way, they would still put some tissue in there, whatever. That would always be a method. We drop the seal in here, nice and smooth, loft hatch, into the smaller bedroom. Literally, little bedroom 1, through to bedroom 2. They've actually took the door handles off on this one, which is good to see. Some of these walls have been plastered already. They're just infilling any bits and bobs as they do. Like to do first coat of paint, put some filler, insert and hold any little what we call blemishes. Nice size, hardwired smoke alarm. Like I said, this is set if we need to as a HMO. All we need to do is change the fire doors. Sorry, change the doors to fire doors, not change the fire doors. God, that'd be a nightmare, wouldn't it? Front right bedroom. Pretty much stick and paste on our properties, you'll see white and grey throughout. All we've done basically, we've carved this in half, put 2 bedrooms in here. Now this will be allowed as a 4-bed comp. I'm looking to get this revalued pretty soon. So I'll turn around now, share some numbers with you. Well, I thought I'd do a quick video on the staircase, a bit more quiet. I haven't got no light behind me. So what I'm doing here then now, I bought this in January. Yes, I forgot about it because of COVID and everything else that I'm doing. How the hell can I forget about it? Oh, God knows. But I did. So currently in October now, the end of October 2020, and I bought this for 105 using none of my own money. I lent third party investors money, 105,000, giving them 1% a month. Yes, it's a long time to forget about, to keep using someone's money, but it is what it is. We move on from that. I estimated spend, I thought it was 17. I massively underestimated that even for myself. I've done over 70 projects. It was quick in and out, get the job done. It's going to be more like 20, 22 maximum now. The reason being for that is we need a complete new roof. And I think on one of my previous videos, if you haven't already seen that, I will put a link to that as well somewhere amongst here. This has got an up and over roof, and it's got the outrigger, which you've seen upstairs where the smaller bedroom is and the bathroom, and then you've got another outrigger which goes over the back of the ground floor, which is by the back door and then by the toilet, and it's also got an outside shed as well. So you can imagine extra. So I spent an extra £8,000 on the roof. I didn't really anticipate that amount because I didn't think it was that bad. I thought we might have been able to reuse some of the tiles, but when we got the scaffold up there, all the tiles are shaled. We all make mistakes. I have a contingency for that, not for that particular, but for any things that we didn't see. So the other one that we didn't see was a rising damp. As I said before, it was hiding behind the lady's sofa. It was hiding behind where she was sitting and doing her paperwork on the 2 visits what I did. But I'm estimating this to be revalued at 150 as a 4-bed family home. It'll rent, it's going to go on the market for 850. I'm going to be pushing for 9, I will let you know. It's a mid-terrace, large Victorian, as you've seen as I walked around. The next door neighbours, this is number 4, I forgot the number then. So number 2 next door is literally just gone on the market. It's a 4-bed, it's a HMO, it's gone on for 180. I'm trying to get comparables around here, and they're all round about 180,000. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a cheeky valuation in of 180 to see what it comes back at. If it falls short of 30 grand at 150, I've got what I wanted anyway. If I actually get the 180, happy days, because that's allowed my contingency in there. So, but I'm more than happy. I'm not here to get all money in, all money out on every single deal. I'm more than happy as long as it's 20-25% return on investment, then that's good enough for me. Sometimes that will slip, 15, whatever it may be, but as I said, this game isn't easy. It never will be easy. That's why everybody doesn't do it. The stresses, the strains that come with investing. This is a little buy to let. As most people know, I am doing a commercial conversion. That's taken nearly 3 years. The issues, the problems, the structural, but this is both sides of the coins that we do. We do single lets, we do HMOs, we do commercial conversions, and I am partial looking at new builds at the moment, but my focus is same as what I've always done. As long as the numbers stack for myself, I will buy myself and I will keep selling to investors. So I hope this quick tour has helped you out a little bit. I will do another tour. I am doing a 360 walk around of this as soon as it's done. All being well, carpets in next week, painting possibly finished next week. I'll share that with you as well. So thank you for watching. I'll speak to you soon.